Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we are thrilled to present the Royal Indoor Slide, the ultimate playtime delight for your little ones. In this video, we are diving into the colorful world of assembly, showcasing every step to bring this fantastic product to life. Designed with children's safety and enjoyment in mind, the Royal Indoor Slide boasts vibrant hues and exciting features that promise endless hours of fun. From the sleek slide to the sturdy ladder and the playful basket with a ball, every component is expertly crafted and seamlessly connected for a hassle-free setup. What sets the Royal Indoor Slide apart is its meticulous attention to detail. With precise measurements and thoughtful engineering, we've ensured that each part fits snugly into place, guaranteeing a smooth and secure play experience for kids of all ages. Whether they're racing down the slide, climbing up the ladder, or shooting hoops with the basket, little adventurers will be captivated by the sheer joy and excitement that the Royal Indoor Slide brings to any indoor space. So join us as we showcase the assembly process and unveil the magic of the Royal Indoor Slide. Get ready to make memories, laughter, and cherished moments with your little ones as they embark on a colorful adventure right in the comfort of your home. Let the fun begin. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting updates and product demos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.